Ever pondered the idea of turning waste oil into fuel right in the comfort of your own home? Well, today is your lucky day. Welcome to a journey into the world of do-it-yourself biofuel. First things first, gather the necessary ingredients. 70 grams of lye and half a gallon of ethanol. Blend these two together to create methoxide, a vital ingredient in biofuel production. This process involves pouring the lye into the ethanol and stirring it until the mixture is well combined. Remember, safety always comes first, so make sure to swish the mixture rather than shake it to avoid any unwanted mishaps. Next, have 3 gallons of waste vegetable oil at the ready. Pour this into the mixture and witness the transformation. Secure the lid and let this concoction sit for about 4 days. Don't forget to release any built-up pressure to ensure safety. After the waiting period, the mixture has turned into methoxide. Filter the waste vegetable oil and pour it off. The dark substance at the bottom is glycerin, a byproduct of the process. The clean biofuel is ready to be poured off and used. Surprisingly, there isn't a hard part in this process. Perhaps the most challenging part is lifting the container and pouring the biofuel into the car. And just like that, with a small investment of time and about $2, a batch of homemade biofuel is ready for use. In conclusion, making biofuel at home is an achievable task. It's a simple, cost-effective, and eco-friendly method of fuel production. Not only does it save money, but it also promotes recycling and reduces waste. So why not give it a try and experience the joy of creating your own biofuel? Remember, if one person can do it, anyone can. Happy driving.